Hey Wagwan, do you want to know the top 7 Android apps you can use in making music and beats? Then you are watching the right video. If you are new to this channel, hit on the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified when I drop videos like this. I'm KIDAAX KLEIN, aka Superstar Trouble. You're welcome to my channel once again. If you're interested in knowing the top 7 music making app, let's get into the video right away. Okay, my top 1 app I'll be mentioning right now is GroovePad. GroovePad is an app I've known for a while right now, and it's very good in terms of making beats and making music, and also it has a pad in which DJs can use in mixing and making some good sound. You can check them on the Play Store. I'll drop the link in the description below. Why my top 2 app for making beat and music is Music Maker Jam. Music Maker Jam is a very popular one out of them all. You could have heard about it. Music Maker Jam, I'll drop the link in the description. It's a very good one. You can check out too. Very fantastic. Contains the pads, different features. I won't mention because of time. You can check them out to Music Maker Jam is a very good one. The third, my top 3 app I'll mention is Remix Live. Remix Live. Remix Live is another very good one compared to others. Is a very good app for making music and beats. So if you're a producer watching this right now, this is a list of good apps. You just have to choose your own best out of them. I'm not actually telling you one is better than one, but through your own research, I'm just trying to give you the apps and you can check them out yourself and know the one that suits your own production, and you understand me. So the my top 4 app is DrumPad. DrumPad is one of the best I've ever seen. One of the best. I have that on my phone. DrumPad is a very good one for DJs. If you're a DJ watching this right now too, DrumPad is very good on a mobile phone. Very easy to use as contains the pad, and also producers making beats and music. DrumPad, I've used DrumPad to make a nice beats for myself just to practice for my own release music. A very good app, you can check it out. I'll drop the link also in the description. And my top 5 app is RD4. RD4 is a good one. You can check it out too. RD4 is a very good music making app. I'll drop the link in the description also. My top 6 app is Caustic. Caustic. Caustic is another good music making app which professionals also use. Very good one that has so many features and tools for you as a music maker, as a producer or beat maker, or even DJ. It's a very good one. You can check out. The link is in the description. You can check it out right away. And the last but not the least is BandLab. That's my top 7. BandLab. BandLab is the one I recommend to people who actually ask me of app you can use to make your music. I actually recommend BandLab to people. BandLab is the best one I actually recommend to people. I don't know for others which one is best, but for me, BandLab is one I'm used to. There might be other apps that are better than BandLab, but I'm used to using BandLab. It's a very good one, amazing, friendly, usable, very easy to use. Can you share it out as a producer, even a music maker and a better artist try to make music yourself? Share out on BandLab, contains of loop, instrumentals, different thing you can get to know as a get to use as a producer or a music maker. Just share it out. If you found this video very interesting, can you just click on the like button to help us grow our channel, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Let's grow together. As you're growing, let me grow also. Click on the red subscribe button and notification bell to get notified whenever I drop good content like this. I'm KIDAAX KLEIN once again. Until we meet in the next video, peace.